We'll guide you through how to use a Printify discount code effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printify website on your computer and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the product catalog and select the products you want to customize and order. After you've tailored your products to your liking, click on the cart icon to review your order. Here, you'll see a summary of your items. This is where you can enter your discount code. Look for the field labeled apply discount code or similar, which is usually located under the list of items in your cart. Enter the discount code you have, making sure to type it exactly as it appears. Pay attention to any capital letters or spaces, as these codes are often case sensitive. After entering the code, click apply to see the discount applied to your order total. You should see the adjusted price reflecting your savings. If the discount doesn't apply, double check the code for any typos, or check if there are any restrictions or expiration dates that might apply to the code. Once you're satisfied with the discount applied to your order, proceed to checkout. Follow the on-screen instructions to fill in your shipping details and payment information. Finally, review your order one last time before confirming your purchase. It's always a good idea to make sure everything looks correct to avoid any surprises. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.